In this video, you will learn how to make a smooth transition from black and white to colored video or picture using Mask tool and keyframing. Open Filmora 12.3 and import your own videos or stock media using Pexel or Pixabay. Copy and paste your video clip. Move the duplicated clip on top of your original video. Double-click on the video clip copy and go to Color. Select Black and White preset. Adjust the effect using Color Wheel. After that, go to Video, tab and click Mask, then select Linear. Adjust the linear mask position to the left of your video preview. In position, click the diamond or keyframing symbol. Move the playhead to 2 or 3 seconds of your clip and move the mask to the right of your preview. Always remember that the video clip which you are masking must always be on top of the original colored video. You can also rotate this linear mask to have another smooth transition effect. Also, you can blur or feather the masked area to achieve a much smoother transition. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this.